Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company. Today is the day before Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve and happy Christmas Day to all of you out there who celebrate. Today I have an awesome sew sampler to unbox with you. Today is the December 2024 box, our final box of the year. If you do not know, or if you're new to our channel, this is a subscription box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out once a month. It is roughly just under $40. It's $29.95 for the box, and then shipping's about $5, and then tax depending on which state you live in. So yeah, go ahead and follow along, check out our past videos if you're new to our channel, and like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing our content. All right, let's dive into today's box. Our theme for this box is Flurries of Fun, December 2024. Here we have a free Whirligig socks with a $60 purchase. And then here's a free pattern that you guys can all scan as well. It looks like there's a video tutorial as well as the free downloadable pattern. In our box, we also get this little leaflet or pamphlet, not really sure what it's called, accordion something, and it has all the contents of the box as well as the price of each item. So I will go ahead and total this up at the very end so we can see what we saved. Like I said, this box is just under $40 shipped. Our first item here I've never seen before in a box, and I've been a subscriber for nearly 6 years now. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive aqua pattern holder by Purple Hobbies. It retails for $11.98. I will go ahead and take this out of the box as well so you can see it up close a little bit more. But it says this adorable aqua gadget is a real stand-up character. Purple Hobbies pattern holder keeps your patterns upright, freeing up your workspace and keeping your pattern in plain sight. In an exclusive aqua color for Fat Quarter Shop, the weighted base means it won't tip over, and it can handle up to 14 pages. It's your trusty sidekick for those marathon winter sewing sessions. Okay, let me go ahead and take this out, and before I forget, I will go ahead and link all of these products down below as well. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It is curved. Let's go ahead and get a pattern and see how it does. All right, here I have the snowman pattern from our Jolly box that I did, I believe at the beginning of December or maybe late November. I unboxed that for you all. If you want to take a look, there's also some available. Somebody just purchased one yesterday and told me about it. This is the cutest thing. So just really quick up close, these little snowmen. How cute are those? All right, anyway, let's see if this works. And I'll go ahead and leave the link for the Jolly box below as well. How cute is that? All right, obviously you're not gonna hold the pattern like that though. Let's see if it really works holding it open. I'll do this part because it doesn't matter if you see this part. No instructions on this page. Okay. I don't know that I think this is very handy. What do you guys think? Let me know down below what you think of this. To me, it's a little bit flimsy. Doesn't really hold it up very well. And then also if you have larger patterns, for instance, something like this, you would never be able to hold this in this little stand. For this, I think that Lori Holt actually sells a book holder as well. I can go ahead and link that down below as well. I've seen that before. But yeah, I'm not really sure about this little stand. It doesn't really seem to work very well, but let me know what you think down below. Next, we have this Cute Cuts 5" by 8" Alpine and Schoolhouse reversible cutting mat. You see it's also green on the back. How Christmassy, even though this is not the Jolly box. Okay, this says values at $10.74. That's what it's retailing for. This adorable little cutting mat by Lori Holt of Be My Bonnet Co. is your new little helper at sewing retreats, or pop it next to your sewing machine for speedy snips and trims. It's reversible with green and red Alpine and Schoolhouse colors to sprinkle some wintry charm in your sewing room. Okay, we've definitely gotten something like this before in Sew Sampler, but I always love getting new colors. I think the other one might have been like a light blue. I think I also have a pink version. Up next is this 14" project bag Quilt-as-you-go kit by June Taylor. We love these things. This retails for $9.98. In the season of gathering with friends and family, stay stitch ready wherever you are with this 14" Quilt-as-you-go project bag from June Taylor. With its spacious square size, see-through front, and stylish design, you can add your personal flair. This kit includes printed sew on the line stabilizer, vinyl, and zipper to help you complete the whole project. Okay, maybe I will go ahead and open it. I don't mind. I just want to show you guys because I do think these things are really cool. I've never actually made one of the projects because I have no time, but here is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that, and there's a clear vinyl front. Here's the vinyl that comes with it. Here's the zipper. This is a really nice zipper. Really, really, really nice quality. You have your stabilizer here. So you literally sew on the line with your fabric, so it tells you everywhere to sew. Sorry. Okay, and then you also get your instructions here as well. And then I believe there is a tutorial. Yeah, there's a tutorial right here with this QR code. So these kits are super awesome. Like I said, I've never made them, but I definitely want to. I think that it's a really great concept. Alrighty, next we have our fabric. This is Snowdrift Rosemary Cottage Fat Quarter Bundle by Camille Raskelli for Moda Fabrics. Okay, it says it retails for $24.98. Reminisce in Bliss with Rosemary Cottage by Camille Raskelli for Moda Fabrics. This charming fabric line blends vintage and classic pieces in delightful blues, linen, soft pinks, and greens that feel cozy and warm. The 6-piece Fat Quarter Bundle offers a taste of these nostalgic hues and prints, perfect for daydreaming about cozy coastal cottages and refreshing sea breezes. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at these fabrics. I'll go ahead and open them for you. If you don't want to watch this, go ahead and scroll past, and you can also check out this little kind of diagram that I have of all the fabrics. Here we have the pattern for today. It's the Snowdrift quilt pattern. This retails for $9.98. It says, inspired by snowflakes twirling to the ground, the Snowdrift quilt by Fat Quarter Shop is a delightful sight. This Fat Quarter friendly design shows off intricate lace-like designs that form dazzling pinwheels among vibrant snowflakes. Craft this frosty wonder with the Fat Quarter bundle from this month's box. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. I'll let you know if those are still available here down below, and I'll go ahead and link them down below as well. But it looks like this is also what you need. Other than that Fat Quarter bundle, you'll need some inner outer borders, some accent fabric, and then some background fabric, and then you'll need 3¼ yards here for your backing. Okay, finally we have our Peaceful Baskets quilt along. This is block number 9. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. The sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Baskets quilt pattern will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop. This does retail for $4.98. We're on number 9, which means that we have 3 more left to go, and we'll also get kind of like the finishing block. We won't get a kit, but like the finishing block pattern, I can't think of it. Finishing block pattern also in March, I believe. And then April starts our new sew along with Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler. All right, so it looks like our box total was $72.64. Like I said, we paid just under $40 for this box, so we made out about $33 or so. All right, let me know what you thought of the contents of this box, and I will see you guys all in January for our next Sew Sampler. Bye everybody, have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year.